Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play World of Warcraft on a laptop. First, let's ensure your laptop meets the game system requirements for an optimal experience. You'll want at least 8 GB of RAM and a solid-state drive for quicker loading times. A dedicated graphics card with at least 2 GB of video memory is also highly recommended to handle the game's visuals smoothly. These specifications will help you enjoy Azeroth without significant performance issues. Once your laptop is ready, optimizing in-game settings is crucial. Start by adjusting the graphics quality to a comfortable level. Often, a medium preset works well. Lowering the resolution scaling can provide a substantial frame rate increase without drastically impacting visual clarity. Remember to close any background applications that consume significant resources. Also, regularly updating your graphics drivers ensures you're always getting the best possible performance from your hardware. For an enhanced gaming experience, consider your peripherals. An external gaming mouse offers far greater precision and comfort than a trackpad. A stable, wired internet connection is always preferable to Wi-Fi for minimizing latency and disconnections. Long gaming sessions can generate heat, so a cooling pad can help maintain optimal performance and extend your laptop's lifespan. Always play with your laptop plugged in to ensure maximum power delivery. Finally, let's talk about enhancing your overall World of Warcraft experience. Explore the vast array of user-created add-ons to customize your interface and streamline gameplay. Joining a guild can open up new social opportunities and group content, making the game much more engaging. Don't hesitate to try different character classes and specializations to discover what playstyle suits you best. Most importantly, immerse yourself in the rich lore and expansive world of Azeroth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.